Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Unlinked app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we'll do this in a few steps. Follow me step by step, and we're going to get your app in your Google TV. So first, we're going to move over to the downloader app. So under apps, I'm looking for the download application. I find it right here. So I click on it to launch. So I've launched download application, and I'm going to use a code. This code always works, very trusted and tested. So just put in the code and you should have the same results I'm going to have here. So I'm going to navigate over to the search bar. Typing OK on the search bar allows me to type in the code. So I'm going to type in this code 10381. Now that code is going to bring up the Unlinked application, and from there we're able to download it. So click on the done and give it a couple of seconds to load. This will redirect you in 3 seconds to a site from where you find an automatic download keying off. So just be patient and wait for the redirection to occur. It's also very important that your network speed is good so that the application runs as smoothly as you saw mine run. Now the app has staged and now you're allowed to install. So click on the install button and you find the application installing. Now Google Play Protect would flag the application most of the time. So you could turn it off or on. I'm declining because Google Play Protect regularly checks your apps and devices for harmful behavior. So it notifies you when security issues are formed or forming. So I'm just going to decline that and I'm going to find my installed Unlinked app right here and I click on done. I'll come to the downloader page and I'm going to delete the package file to save space on the device. So I'm going to confirm to delete that download package file, and from there I can return back to the dashboard and I can find under apps the Unlinked application right here. So clicking this to open the application and you can enjoy the content you find there. If you found that insightful, I want to subscribe to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. Join the family and you'll never miss an interesting update with very good insights like this one.